Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an unboxing and a tutorial for you. I just received in the mail a box from Influenster. If you're not familiar with Influenster, I will have a link for it down below, as well as my Influenster playlist. This is a website that I have been a part of for many years, and basically you sign up, you take a bunch of quizzes so that they can kind of get to know you and your preferences and personality and things like that, and then they try and match you up with these boxes. These are called Vox boxes, and they send you product. The product inside these boxes is yours to keep. It is absolutely free. You don't attach a credit card, nothing like that. It's completely free, and it's designed to let the brands that are participating in the Vox boxes know what the consumer is interested in. So all you have to do once you get the box is kind of review it, the products inside, go online, leave reviews, making sure that you're tagging that it is complimentary from Influencer. So this is complimentary from Influencer. This is in collaboration with Huda Beauty or Huda Katan, and I'm excited to show you what is inside. I have already opened it, I have already played around with it, but I wanted to give you guys a real unboxing. So this is what mine looks like inside. I've got some flyers, there's tissue paper, and then there's some product underneath. So the first thing inside this box is this card talking about Huda's perfumes, her fragrances. These are the Kayali Every Layer of Me fragrances. She has 4 different ones, and so they actually sent over a little sample of each perfume, and it tells you the different notes up here, as well as what the different perfumes are, different types. They're all pretty vanilla scented, which I really like, and they're all very light, and I really like them. They're really nice. So along with that, I have this card with Huda on it. It's talking about her matte and metal melted shadows, and it talks about the matte side and the metal side on here, and I have it in the shade Private Jet, which is the matte shade, and then Shimmering Sunset, which is the metal shade. These retail for $25. You can get them at Sephora. I know, I'm not sure if Ulta carries it. I will have links down below where you can purchase it, but this is what it looks like inside the packaging. You can see it's double-sided. We have the matte shade over here, and we have the metallic shade over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. And here's the actual product. So here is the metallic shade. It is a much skinnier tapered brush than the matte shade and the matte side, which I will show you, but I will go ahead and swatch this on my hand for you. It's a nice shimmering copper color. It's really pretty, and the brush is designed this way for this particular shade because you can use it all over the lid or as a liner. And then this is the matte shade, which I think is super pretty, and you can see it's more of a flat doe foot applicator, and here is a swatch of that. It's such a pretty, like, even lip color. Like, wouldn't that be pretty on your lips? So those are the 2 shades, and I'm going to go ahead and make a tutorial using this product plus some products that I received from my Ipsy bag in the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing the look that I create, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, to start, I am just applying a flesh toned eyeshadow all over my lids. I'm using the Lorac Mega Pro palette. It is the one in the burgundy packaging. It's the original Mega Pro, and I'm using this shade Cream. I have already primed my lids, so I'm just using this to go over. Now I'm going to be using the shade Camel mixed with the shade Sepia, both from the same Lorac Mega Pro palette, and I am using the brush that I received in my February Ipsy bag. I will have that video linked down below, but it is from Aisling Cosmetics, and it's a double-sided brush, and it's brush 389. One side is a small fluffy brush and the other is a flat shader brush, and I'm just using that to apply the product into my crease to really deepen it up. Like I said, I'm mixing the colors together to add a bit more definition. You can tell that I'm going over my crease area, bringing it up a little higher, closer to my brow bone. That's just the way I like to do my eyeshadow. I've come to learn I have very large rounded eyes, and I think that this type of look looks really good on my eye shape. Keep in mind that everyone's eye shape is going to be a little bit different. You do what works best for you. I'm now using a brush that I received in a different Ipsy bag. This is from Farrah Cosmetics and it's the 35E. It's a very large fluffy brush and I really enjoy it, and I'm just using this in the shade Camel and Sepia again to deepen out the crease. Now I am actually using the product from Huda Beauty. I'm using the matte side, which is in Private Jet. It's a very nice kind of pinky corally nudie type shade, and I really like the applicator on this side. It's a really flat doe foot, and so I'm using it to apply it to my eyelids and then blending it out with a shadow brush. It's very compressed. It says in the directions to apply 3 small dots to the center of the lid and then quickly blend with a fluffy brush or your finger, but I found that this technique worked best for me when I was using the product. So again, just applying the product to my lids using the flat doe foot applicator and then blending it out using that flat brush. And that one, it was a different one that I received from Ipsy as well. It is, I'm trying to find it in my bag next to me at the moment. It is from Luxie. Oh, it's a Luxie brush. It's the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. Now I'm going in with another brush that I received from Ipsy. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for all the brushes. I really appreciate them. This one's from SL Miss Glam, and it's just a fluffy blending brush. I'm using this with the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette to really deepen out the crease a little bit more and the outer V area. I am using Peach Tart, which is a very warm chocolatey brown shade. It's not the deepest shade in the palette, but it is one of the deeper ones. Going back in with my Aisling Cosmetics brush using the flat shader side, I am applying that same brown to my lower lash line to kind of add some cohesiveness and warmth to the bottom lash line, blending it out using the fluffy side of the brush as well. Now I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty product in the metallic side, which is Shimmering Sunset. It's a beautiful, beautiful shimmering coppery bronze type color, and same technique that I use with the matte side. I'm applying it with the brush just to the center of my lids and then blending it out with that Luxie brush. I do really like these products. I did review or I did see some reviews, I'm sorry, on this product saying that the product would kind of cake and crumble off. I have not experienced that. I've used it probably 5 times now, and I didn't experience cracking or caking with the matte side or the metallic side. I think if you use a light hand and you don't over apply, then it works really, really nicely. I even went to the snow and played up there for a few hours and my makeup looked fine afterwards. So I really like this product. Next up, I'm using a mascara that I received from Ipsy, and this is the Lash Alert mascara from Ico. This is a squeezy tube, but you are supposed to squeeze it and coat the brush and then apply it, and you can see my reaction in just a few minutes or a few seconds how much I really like this mascara. Like, I was not expecting to like it this much, but it is a great mascara. It really did a good job coating the lashes and extending them, elongating them, and separating them at the same time. I will definitely look into purchasing this after I use the sample that I received. I really like it. It's very comparable, I feel like, to Benefit's Bad Gal Bang, which is my jam. So now I'm going to go in with the Worth the Hype mascara from NYX. It is a waterproof mascara. I have to top everything off with waterproof mascara because I have super watery eyes and I need that assurance that it's not going to leave black streaks down my face. Now I'm going in with an eyeliner that I received in my Ipsy bag for this month. This is from Douce Cosmetics. It's a Fierce and Fine Graphite pen, and it is a felt tip eyeliner pen. I will link my liner tips and tricks video that I just filmed recently down below as well. You can see how to create the perfect wing liner in just a few simple and easy steps. But I am using the same technique that I used in that video right now in this tutorial. I do like how fine tipped this pen is. I like how black it is. It is a little bit of a drier formula, and it was kind of skipping a little bit over the metallic shadow. I did kind of struggle with that, so I switched out to my NYX Epic ink liner, which is a little bit more liquidy and definitely went over the metallic product a lot better. So again, I'm just filling in those areas. If you saw my winged liner tutorial, you know exactly what the steps are and what I'm doing. While I was editing this earlier, I was watching it and I was like, wow, it's very soothing to me and relaxing to me to watch myself do my eyeliner on camera. So hopefully you guys are kind of enjoying this little snippet as well. It does take a little bit longer to go over the metallic shadow than if it wasn't there. It would glide on a lot smoother, but because it is metallic, it does have a little grit to it, so it takes a little bit longer to go over. And I'm just making sure that all the sparse areas are filled in. Very happy with it. So now I am using a pencil liner, a gel pencil liner. This one's from Cynthia Rowley. I actually just used it up and I'm just doing my tight line. So that is it for the eyes. I'm going in with the lips. I am using from Milani Cosmetics. It is in 60. It's Matte Innocence and it's just the perfect nude shade. Finishing up the look, I'm using from CYO the plumping lip gloss in the shade Act Up, and that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.